Let's make some onion raita today. I've taken 2 red onions, approximately 150 grams. You can use white or yellow onions as well. Now I'm going to slice this thinly and we can start adding salt and proceed with the raita. So here are the sliced onions. I'm going to add few mint leaves as well, 8 to 10 mint leaves, and 1 teaspoon heaped salt. So now I'm going to mix this well and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. By this way the water will ooze out and I'll discard all those water and then add the yogurt. So when we make raita in this way, the raita stays pretty thick and creamy for a long time. Actually, I learned this trick from Chef Revati Shanmugam madam, so from that point on I do it this way and we all really like it. So I don't add green chilies because when we serve this to kids, they don't like the bite of green chilies. So you can add green chilies and cilantro as well, and that's it. Now I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes and the onions have been sitting. Now I'm going to squeeze out the water. As you can see, the water has oozed out. So I'm going to squeeze the water as much as I can. So after squeezing out, I have approximately 1 cup of onion. It's when you tightly pack, it's approximately 3/4 cup only. So now I am going to add 3/4 cup of yogurt. So after squeezing out the water, I usually measure and add the yogurt. You can just eyeball it as well. If you want a thin consistency raita, you can add water, but we prefer thick consistency and creamy raita, so I usually don't add water. And as the raita sits, it will slowly start to ooze out water. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have several other raita recipes on my blog. Do check it out, and thank you.